The Borsuk infantry fighting vehicle will replace the Polish Land Forces BMP BWP-1 family. However, this program is challenging. For example, the reported funding allocated to its development is fairly low by international standards. In addition, some ambiguities remain regarding the final performance specification desired by the Polish army, which could delay the program's maturation for the serial production phase if left unresolved. Anyway, the Polish Ministry of National Defense has expressed a long-term requirement for the purchase of 1,600 newly built vehicles. Of these figures, at least 800 ones are to serve as IFVs, with the remainder configured to perform a wide range of secondary roles. The Borsuk prototypes have performed satisfactorily in the tests already made, suggesting that the program is on schedule to enter the final testing phase in 2021, to enter the serial production in 2022.